Cakes, I actually got no clue what unit tests are. Would you mind roughly telling me though? Genuine question. Unit tests test the functionality of certain aspects of your program. So for example, you have a particular thing in your game that you call, like, how do you say that? Like a unit, or like, I don't want to use the same word. A basic functionality. So for example, let's make a very, very simple example, not in my game because it's a little bit more complex. Let's say you have an attack function and you have a target that you supply to that attack function, and you call that attack function using damage. You would unit test this particular part of your game to test that you call this function on a target that you predefine. Let's say to have 100 health, and then your attack function would deal 50 damage. So you would call the attack function with 50 damage, and then after that test, you would assert or test if the result HP of the target is 50 now that you have subtracted 50 from 100. And you can extrapolate that with more and more complexity and data, so you could bring in armor into the mix. So you would test your attack function with the enemy or the target that you're attacking to have armor, and you still supply the same damage. So now you're testing with 50 armor. Let's say that's a 50% decrease in damage. Instead of expecting let's say 50 attack damage on 100 HP, you test 50 attack damage on 100 HP and 50 armor, you would expect 75 HP to be the outcome. These are unit tests, but I can't do those. I can't do the unit tests because my attack function changes. And so I would write the changes to the attack function, then I would write the changes to the test. Then I decide to change the attack function next day. I need to write the changes to the attack function, and then again the changes to the test. And that's why I don't do that right now.